Hello and welcome to Space Shark Teaches. I'm Sean, owner and lead developer of Space Shark Studios, and in this series we're going to be teaching Godot. In this lesson we're going to be creating and naming our first scene. So after the last lesson I created a new project called 2D Platformer Tutorial. That's what we're going to be using from here on through the 2D platformer tutorial videos. So to open it up, you can either run or double click it. Once it's opened, we're going to be creating a scene. First, I'm going to switch to 2D view because we're going to be making a 2D project. Over here, you can see it says scene. This is where all the objects in your scene are going to live. But you have to create the base of the scene. To do this, you can either hit the plus button and select node, or right click, add child node. Both of these bring up this window, and what you want to add first is node. This is the most base object in all of Godot. Once you created that, you now have a scene. Technically, this node is the scene, and everything you add underneath this by using this is part of that scene. So let's go ahead and rename this main scene. And now you have to save it. Once it's saved, you're basically done. You've made a new scene. So up over on the left, you go up to scene, save scene, and you can see it took the name of that node and added this TSCN, which just designates it as a scene file. When you hit save, you'll notice your scene is now available over here. So anything you add to this scene, when you save, will be applied to this scene object. And that's it. You've just made your first scene, and you can start adding game objects to it. In the next lesson, I will be teaching you how to use the editor, what the different tools are in here, and how to navigate it before we start adding things to this scene. That's it for this lesson. Thank you for watching, and this has been Sean with Space Shark Teaches.